We began with stabilizing performance of SQL baselining. Absolutely critical. In early releases of 11, perhaps not reliable, may have had some problems. Later releases, stabilized, but it's a huge amount of work. It blocks all changes, intentional or accidental. Stabilizes the system. But it stabilizes it for better or worse. In release 11, you, the DBA, have to identify all potential changes and check them. Release 12, totally automatic procedure. Changes that are bad are permanently blocked. Changes that are good are just delayed and then let through. Then we moved on to statistics feedback. Great enhancements over release 11, and by default enabled in 12.1, by default disabled in 12.2, which is interesting, isn't it? It should mean that code will improve the longer you run your application. But a side effect of that is that no one, when running explain plan, really knows what's going to happen. Adaptive execution plans, again, you don't know what's going to happen at runtime. You don't know. So the whole SQL development and tuning process becomes possibly a bit more awkward. But the results as a whole should be good. And that is enabled by default in both 12.1 and 12.2. SQL directives are the enabling technology for a lot of the statistics feedback self-learning capability, a lot of the parsing self-learning capability, and can result in significant amounts of dynamic sampling, which has also changed a bit as well.